Bibingka.
Wala na lang ano.
Wala luto. Di ba yun yan? Ano? Sabi ko?
Bili na. Bili na.
Next time na lang.
Except for Roblox.
Ano? Black vibes. Simple sandbox. Minecraft. Yun lang. Tapos tayo. Alala mo yun? Before ako mag-grade. Inaway mo ako. Ginawan mo pa ako ng night incident. Silence of the road. 2024 pag yun. Ayun. Ginawan mo pa ako ng night incident. Bakit? Ano ba meron?
Hindi ko pa kasi tapos yung car.
Ginawan mo ako ng night incident.
Ayaw ko yung car. Ayaw ko yung gabi ko dapat to. Kasi wala ako doon. Pwede ka rin mag-CR din na restaurant. Tibok ata to si Guanzo. Yata, I mean, expect the behavior is siga. Dito na lang tayo. Our Lady of ano?
Yun yan?
Oo.
Tingnan
Nakalagay.
natin.
Nakalagay. Our Lady of
May karatula ka lang.
Oo.
Mamaya tingnan natin.
Yes. Next time dyan tayo,
Oo.
simba. Lapit sa ano. Tapos papalunch tayo ni Daddy sa
Kasi aso.
So, sales and ano yung services and retail. I'm not sure. Services and retail.
Señoritas and Norquitos.
Mas malala.
Señoritas and Norquitos.
Oh, Norquito si Ara nga eh.
Ay,
Paano ka mag-U-turn?
ito.
Pwede ba dyan?
Oo. Kabila eh. Señoritas and Recoletos.
Buti na lang wala masyadong ano. Bakit talagang kainan dito? Oh my God, the Krispy Kreme. And we have...
Cream, shaky.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Ang sarap dito, tumira.
Tandaan ko dito ako nag-birthday.
Eat all you can. Meron pa doon sa unahan. Before mag-Robinson, ang dami din kainan. Oh, may resort dito.
Nag-birthday.
Oh,
Bye.
Very good. Resort ba yan?
Doon pa, sa unahan pa konti.
And
mo pa nga ng meat.
Wow. Tara, baba. Be curious.
Okay, let's go down. Let's see
Oo na.
what's inside. Nakilala ako. Meron ko dito. Bibili lang. Take out
Take out lang tayo.
Joel, sabi ko. Joel Castillo,
Kaya nga
kapatid
middle
ko.
name
Dalhin ko nga susunod. Dalhin ko naman kayo dyan.
Middle
Punta kayo
name
dyan.
Castillo yun.
Tandaan lang ah. Mainit.
That smell, oh my god. I can smell it. Sabi na kami. Mami ang ano.
Daddy, oh, nanonood sila ng porn.
Ay?
Rule 34, when you hear them,
Hindi nga random thought daw yan ni Kayden.
don't tell me random thought yun kasi
Why?
nasa dictionary, i-google mo. It's a word that you have access to porn. Don't
Yan,
say
yan,
it in,
yan.
ano
Silipin lang natin. Ano
Oh,
yan?
silipin natin.
Ayala Malls,
Ayala
Ibo.
to.
Ay, hindi.
Turn
Isa,
right.
isa pa.
Sige.
Ayala Malls eh. Doon sa isa.
Oh
sa
my
isa.
god, bro, we're dead.
Sa isa. Kasi na rin.
Oo. Oh my god, let's go to church there.
Typo
It's
ni
so
Kate.
social. I think it's
Typo
aircon
lang ba?
din.
Mr. Dry.
It's aircon din, Dad.
Typo lang.
Oo daw. Aircon.
Typo
Ano
lang
nga
by
kayo?
over. Alam ko si ano
Ayan,
yun.
Ayan.
Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Oh my
Ah,
God.
Mount
I
Carmel.
love
Ayun,
it. Oh my God. We're going to church. I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh my god. I can smell the ulam.
It's papaitan. It's the tae of kambing.
Ah!
Napanood mo kay Den, the best food ever.
It's the
Ano?
tae of
Review.
kambing.
I can
Wow.
smell it, mommy. It's so disturbing.
It's disturbing. It's kambing eh. Ilagyan natin na daddy ng sili mamaya. Ayan.
Mami, sino mo yan?
Ayan na. Oh, dito din ang SNR.
Curious na curious,
Ay.
mami, to 34.
Oh, U-turn na.
Ano ba yun?
Lapit tayo.
Lapit tayo doon.
Hmm.
Kailan ka picture natin yung mas? Ay, ano?
May mas nga.
May mas. Ang dami.
Ang dami.
Shaling na.
Mm-mm.
Oh, syempre, may security guard na. Oh my God. Saan ba tayo dyan minsan?
Yeah, mas gusto ko yan.
Ah,
Oh,
okay.
ganda. You can bring your own chair.
Oh!
Bili nga tayo ng ganyan.
Bring your own
Mura lang
chair?
yan sa Lazada. Hindi.
Ay, yan pala yan. Ito na tayo.
Oh, ganda. Oh my God. Evo City. Open ng Evo City. Our Lady. Bili kayo dito ng lupa sa pag ano. Ayan no, may lat-lat na oh.
Commercial residences to.
Lupa namin.
Wala pang mga araw. Ito yung masarap mag-long distance running. Kahit yung mga tipong 30 kilometers kahit 12 o'clock ng lunchtime. Asya, habang may ginagawa ka dyan habang
Siguro matao na.
kakapi ka pa, wow, late na nagising. Ako muna ang iyong makakadaldalan ngayong hapon.
ISO's
Bye!
maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Saan tayo?
Dagdagan, oras sa Love Radio.
Ay, alam mo na labas natin.
That time check was brought to you by
Champion detergent. Tapat po sa inyo. MX3. Dito ako, Billy. Champion. Real power sa
Ilang oras na, nanililaw ka pa rin. Puti ka na.
Ba't ang random mo, Kate? Random mo.
Like you know, no.
So creative ka.
We know now.
May no now.
Okay.
Pero din pala morning. 11 ata yun eh, nakasulat.
Dali na creativity.
11 and 6 p.m.
Love.
Celebration. Ako si Lizette de la Rosa, Corporal
marami na kami.
So, ibig sabihin, pag 11 tayo, diretso na tayo lunch. After. So, next, after ng birthday ni Kuya.
Mahalagang maalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat
Ang ganda naman
Ano yung
dito, no?
definition?
So, I don't want to hear Rule 34 and I don't want you to watch Rule 34. And don't talk about Rule 34 in public because some people might know it. Sabihin, ay, ang bata-bata, bastos naman.
Hindi lang yan. Hindi lang yun po.
Di akala ko kayo lang inosente sa Rule 34. Huwag niyong mamang-mangin lahat. Nalaman ko na nga eh. Google is everywhere.
Ang dami niya, kahit itanong ko kay Gemini yan. Sabihin niya,
Nakalagay, it's a pornography. Kaya pala ayaw niyo akong i-search ko
Hindi kasi mami,
I'm
random
smart.
thought lang ni Kate.
Oo nga, I'm not saying na pagalit ako si Kaden. I'm just saying na be careful using it in public. Diba?
ayun, naayos na nila.
Oh my God! I love it! The Evo
Why I
City
keep
is open. Kondo
Can I
ba
tell
to?
it?
Ay, kondo no.
Hi, Gemini.
Kondo. Gonna buy your condo here,
Hello
son.
there. How can I help you today?
What is Rule 34?
Rule 34, in very broad terms, is an internet meme that suggests that for every conceivable topic or concept, there is, or eventually will be, some form of pornography related to it. It's more of a satirical saying than an actual law, of course. Is there anything else I can explain about it?
Is there any more
Slang.
meme or saying that's connected with Rule 34?
Yes, there's a related meme called Rule 35, which states that if a rule exists, there will be pornography of it. It's kind of an extension of Rule 34, suggesting that the principle applies to even the most abstract things, like rules themselves. Do you have any other questions about this?
Where did you get that Rule 34?
Ano lang mami, typo lang ni Kaden. Alam mo ba mami, yung Google is actually misspelled.
Where did you get that?
Why did you type a Rule 34 kung type ko? You should...
Since
Random
when it
thoughts
was started?
No, I don't think so. You've
Hindi
heard
ko nga
it.
alam kung ano nga yun eh. Sabi ni Kaden sa akin, Kuya, yan.
You've
Who's
heard it
using
from
that?
somewhere.
Rule 34.
Walang. Kami lang yun. Kami yung invention.
Oh, it's not an
Okay, so
invention.
Rule 34 originated from a webcomic back in 2003. It was a satirical take on the
Yeah, no,
abundance
what-
of pornographic content online, and it quickly became an internet meme. Do you want to know more about how it spread?
Yes, I would like to know more.
I'm so embarrassed.
Well, after it appeared on the website Know Your Meme, it really took off. People started making images and videos applying the rule to silly or unexpected things, and it became part of internet culture. Is there anything else
Culture.
I can tell you about it?
No, that's
Thank
all. Thank you, girlfriend.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yeah, can you call me boyfriend?
I mean, your grade is exam. My grade. Oh, something went wrong.
Something went wrong.
You can't dictate her heart.
Can you dictate my heart to you?
So, you can't lie to us.
Inaaway mo na naman ako
It's Mr.
I'm not
Kasi I'm so
angry.
embarrassed.
I'm not
So
angry. I'm
embarrassing.
just...
Pinahiya mo si Mr.
Ay, ikaw kaya, galing ko kaya sa iyo yan. Ba't si Mr. Cry? Galing kaya sa iyo yan.
Rule 34?
Narinig kita kanina eh. Recorded dito. Kita. Ayun.
Pupul yun.
Saka dito lang tayo nakaka-open ng window sa Manila. Hindi na.
Matigas talaga ng ulo ng tao. Talagang bubunawan talaga.
Can I save them or not? Them like to move it, move. I'm gonna save them. Them like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. Well, there's gonna be another one. Us? Can you not like to? Us like to move it, move it. That's the one. Us like to move it, move it. Us like to move it, move it. Us like to move it, move it. just want to tell you a little story. It's no story that my daddy used to tell me. It was the Kiko's right.
Si Girl, hindi marunong
I was
mag-
born probably about 68 years ago, over by that tree over there, yeah. And I remember things changed a lot. In those days in Madagascar, it wasn't so commercial, you know? It wasn't all about money and who's got the latest tree and what teeth are you wearing and who's got the latest fur on their back, you know. Those days it was just me and a couple of the others, you know, doing the jungle boogie, you know. Jungle boogie. Jungle boogie. Move it, move it, move it. Do you really think this is never gonna end? Because it is. 3, 2, 1. Not bad, eh? I like it.
Yes, FM. Yes, FM.
Tigil ka. Busog ka eh. Tigil. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah.
Paputang ina ka
Oh,
tuloy.
putang ina ka. E-bike ka. Sa kalam lang. Oh.
Kasing preno, kala mo naman.
Ipasok. Nabitin niya yan pag may paso. Ito, malawak ang kalsada. Pagkaan kung kasala naman to, ay wala na. Traffic ulit.
Ganun lang.
Dapat walang parking. Mga bulkan, agad ginagawang talir.
Dapat wala naman ganyan.
Aha, dito ko pala paikot-ikot din, ha? Dumi-dumi mo rin, ha? Hindi ka rin naglinis, ha?
Oo nga, ang ligo natin napakadumi eh.
Cancel kasi ulan. Ngayon, ulan naman.
Pero mayaman.
Pero lihan si Kamamba.
Bukas ulo, mukhang talampakan.